Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off any iPhone without a touchscreen. So let's get started. So in order to turn off any iPhone without a touchscreen, it's going to be really simple. If you have an older iPhone that has a home button, all you do is press the home button and the side button until the screen goes completely black, which takes about 10 to 15 seconds or so. Now, if you have a newer iPhone that's all screen like this, the process is different. You're going to want to find the volume up and volume down button. We're going to quickly press and release the volume up, then quickly press or release volume down, and then hold on to this side button until the screen goes black. So it's going to be volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to that side button. And this will work even if you don't have a touch screen that works. You're going to wait until it will force itself to basically shut off. And that's how this video is helpful. If so, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.